What's happening YouTube? With Tech TRX back in that video. Today we're looking at the TrueFree F1. Here we go. First things first, make sure to hit that subscribe button below. Hit the notification bell so you can be notified on the next videos to come up tips and tricks and unboxing just like this one. Check out my merch below at 1130.ca. Hit the like button as well so we can beat that YouTube algorithm. Without further ado, let's go ahead and look at the TrueFree F1. And if you want to get one of these, I'll link this down below, so go ahead and check that out. Now these are open ear headphones and they have Bluetooth 5.3. The frequency response range is about 20 Hz to 20 kilohertz. The maximum working distance is 10 meters. Playtime hours is 11 hours. And charge time is 1.5 hours. The battery capacity is 110 milliamp hour. In the box, it comes with a USB-C cable to USB-A, instruction manual, the headphones itself, and a carrying bag. The TrueFree F1 has 3 sets of buttons as well. The power button or the play and pause button, volume up and volume down. On each ear set, it has 2 speakers and this padding right in the middle, which is also magnetic. The buttons are nice to click. It's easy to click as well. When you're wearing the headset, it would make a noise as well, a beeping noise, so that you know that it's clicked on. There's a USB-C slot as well on the bottom, which is covered by this rubber protection right here, which easily hides it and makes it seamless. And because those rubber ends has magnets, they can stick together like this so that it's easy to carry around. The back are very flexible as well, so whichever way you want to point it, you can do that. You can flex it whichever way you want. Now this is how it would fit while you're wearing it. If you have a lot of hair, it would actually go around your head like so. You can also put it underneath that so that you can kind of hide it, but it's easier to access the buttons if it's out like this. Once you turn on the headset, it would go to pairing mode. It would have the red and blue lights, and then you can go ahead and go to your phone settings and then Bluetooth and click it so that it's connected to your phone. Now the pairing is really easy as well because it is Bluetooth 5.3. Now let's try some easy controls here like play and pause. As you can see there, it works well. Now let's do volume up, volume down. There we go. Now for long press the volume up for 1.5 seconds, that will skip to the next song. And if you want to look at the previous song, you just have to long press for 1.5 seconds for the volume down button. Now if you have to answer or hang up a phone call, you just short press the power button. If you want to reject a phone call, someone's calling you, you can long press the power button for 1.5 seconds. You can switch between calls as well if someone's on hold by double pressing the power button. You can activate Siri as well by double pressing the power button. And if you want to disconnect and pair this to another device, you just have to simultaneously press down and hold the volume up and down for 3 seconds. So here it is. This is the mic test. My iPhone is connected to the OBS on my MacBook Air M1. I'm using right now the microphone from my iPhone. Now we're gonna set it so that it is using the TrueFree F1 mics. Here we go. So here it is. We've set it up on the TrueFree F1. Again, still recording with the iPhone on the webcam here, but the mic is coming from the TrueFree F1. Let me know in the comments below if this is any good or not. Again, this is what it would sound like if you are on the phone call using the TrueFree F1. Now in Amazon.ca, it is $60, but it has a deal right now with an $18 coupon at time of recording, which is really good. If you want open ear headphones, this is the one for you. Overall design for the TrueFree F1 is not bad at all, especially for the price. If you want an open ear headphones, this is the one for you because most of the time, if you're a runner and you run on during the busiest hour of the day, you want to hear your ambient noise. And if you're working in the office, if you want to still hear people walking around, someone wants to get a hold of you, you don't have to worry about that because you'll be able to hear them. And at the same time, this is kind of like a Bluetooth speaker without other people hearing your music, which is really good. So that's it for the day, everyone. As you can see, this is what it looks like on my ears. Um, Let me know in the comments below if it's any good or not. The volume controls are a bit weird because it's a bit back here, but it still works. If you want to get one of these, I'll link this down below, so go ahead and check that out. Be sure to subscribe to the channel, hit the like button as well so we can beat that YouTube algorithm. Thanks for watching, everyone, and I'll see you next time. Peace.